As soon as the policemen entered his chamber to arrest the attacker, Prashant Bhushan did not lose any time. We know he's a competent lawyer. He immediately filed an FIR. We were there. We spoke to him. You heard that soundbite where Prashant Bhushan said that he's lodged an FIR for attacking him. But though he was beaten up very badly, you saw those shots. He was not only slapped, but he was pinned down to the floor and then kicked on his chest. But his clothes were also torn, but Prashant Bhushan did manage to get his sense of equilibrium back, and he did speak out to us, though he did look shocked because this was something that took him completely off guard. This was not expected. Remember, this happened inside his chambers, in just opposite the Supreme Court. It did not happen on the street where he was just walking off guard, but this happened when the two attackers entered his chambers and beat him up there. So obviously he was shocked, but he did maintain his composure and he did the right thing, that he kept on telling all the other lawyers who were trying to rough up the attacker that let the law take its course. When the police comes, they would hand him over to the police and not to beat him up. But also, if you could see those visuals of the attacker, even he has been injured when he was beaten up by the lawyers when he was trying to make his exit from Prashant Bhushan's chamber. At this moment, things look calming down. Prashant Bhushan has already left for his home in Noida, and police have arrested the attacker. They are still on the lookout for the second attacker. Back to you.
Jaggery, stay with us. Prashant Bhushan, after this entire assault, spoke with Times Now saying that he would take legal recourse.
No, they were saying that I have made some statement about Kashmir to which they were taking objection. The question was about whether I felt that referendum could also be held in Kashmir. So I had said yes, can be.
It's a comment he allegedly made about 2 weeks ago in Varanasi. Jaggery, it seems to be a well-orchestrated attack as well, because these two youths have come up at a certain time and then begun this entire attack. Well, we'll just get Jaggery back on the phone and let's just tell you the sequence of events which took place just a short while ago. Times Now was in Prashant Bhushan's chambers, taking a comment from him on a news report when these two men, unidentified at first, barged into his room. They had no weapons on them and claimed to the security outside that they had an appointment with the senior advocate. They came in and without warning started roughing him up. Continued to pummel him for several minutes before an alarm was raised and other lawyers came in to Prashant Bhushan's rescue. In what followed, one of these assailants has managed to escape. The other one has been arrested. An FIR has been lodged as well. These two men claim that they are from an organization called the Shri Ram Sene. Meanwhile, other members of Team Anna have expressed complete horror and shock at these developments.